Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have just covered up the different projects using different languages, and I hope you understand that all projects which we have just covered up yet. So today in this video, we will be gonna building an amazing e-commerce website here. Means not normal e-commerce website. We will be using new things in this e-commerce website, like we will be using Firebase, Prisma. Then we will be also using some other languages like we have used in our previous Next.js project. We have used Prisma already plus Firebase in our previous projects, but we have not used it yet with the e-commerce website or with the e-commerce platform things. So today we are creating an e-commerce website, and in this e-commerce website, I will be using these all amazing languages like Prisma, Firebase, FileStack, and we will be also using some of the Next.js, Next.auth, and some of the other things as well, which will be really helpful. Means these all are libraries, like you all know that. We will be also using some styling library which include Tailwind CSS, because I think that Tailwind CSS is the best library I can use with React.js or Next.js. So you can also use different other libraries of styling like there are. You can also use normal CSS if you want to use. You can use Bootstrap library as well. But I prefer you to use Tailwind CSS if you are using Next.js or React.js here, because it gives you more like colorful things, and it also have more features than the normal CSS. So I prefer you to use the Tailwind CSS. If you don't know how to use, so don't just miss this video, because in this video I will be telling you how to use Tailwind CSS, plus I will be also telling you how you can use it with your project. It is not compulsory to use it with only the projects. You can also use it with other things, like you can create it through website, you can use it through website, or you can also use it through dashboard panel and all that stuff. So I'll be telling you all that things. So just you have to don't skip any part from this video and see this video from start, so you can learn how we can just create an amazing e-commerce website through these all amazing libraries like Prisma, FileStack, and we will be also using Firebase plus the library of Tailwind CSS, which is of styling, and we will be using it through React.js and Next.js here. So just if you understand this video and if you enjoyed this video as well, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, tell me in the comment section and also subscribe. And you can also tell me in the comment section that what things do you want from me, like in which languages you want projects, or which project do you want me to create in any language you want me to create. You can tell me in the comment section. So just do not miss out this video. So just now we'll be starting with our amazing video here and seeing that how we can just create this amazing e-commerce website using these all libraries and the language which I've telling you from start. Just like I've telling you that we will be just building an amazing e-commerce website, and in the introduction I've also telling you that it will be not a normal e-commerce website, like we will be creating an amazing Hexashop e-commerce site here. We will be using different programming languages in this project like Next.js. We will be also using React.js, FileStack, and we will be also using Firebase, which is a, you can say, a hosting site where we have to host our project. But it is not compulsory to use Firebase in every project, because I also don't use Firebase in many of my projects, and I have also shown you how to use Firebase. So if you want to use Firebase, you can use, or if you don't want to use, and if you don't want to host your project on the server, so it's your choice to use it or not. So I will be using that, so I can just show you. We will be also using the framework Prisma, and we will be also using Tailwind CSS as well. So just now what we are waiting for, let's get started and see that how we can create and how we will be using these all libraries in this project. So for creating this, first of all, we have to move on to desktop. After moving on to desktop, here we have to just now add a new folder. So we have to now add a new folder here. You can see we are getting a new folder. I will be giving it the name as Hexashop. So I will be writing here Hexashop e-commerce like this, and I will be also giving as website. Now you can see I've given a name to my folder as Hexashop e-commerce website. So I have not having the images and all the stuff like fonts as well. So I have to take that fonts and images from my project. So I will be moving on to downloads. This is my original project here, and from here I will be taking all my things like images and my files which I have taken from Google, and I will be pasting it on my folder. You can see here is my folder, and I will be pressing right click to paste. So you can see all the things has been pasted. I will be just aligning these all stuff. After doing that, I will be removing my main file, because we will be creating this main file by our own self, and we will be also writing our own codes in this file. So because of that, I've deleted the file here. Move on to the assets folder here, and from here I will be just moving on to my main Tailwind CSS folder, and from here also I will be removing one file, which will be this one, template one. So I have template mode-hexashop because it is our main styling file. I will be pressing Ctrl Z to check the name, and I will be just copying its name here. So I have to just paste this name as well, and I will be deleting this file. Then after doing that, simply have to press back. After going to back, simply move on to these images, and you can see these are the images which we will be using in our project. Total images these are. Then if you want to use some fonts, you can take the font from the Google or from any other site. So I have taken these fonts from Google Fonts, and I will also show you how we can take this. So you have to just move on to Google and then write here Google Fonts like this. After moving to this site, you can just write your font here, and after searching the font, you will be getting the fonts here. You can see we are getting a different font. You can also just see if you want that your font should be coming in regular, light or bold. You can also take that from here. It's your choice how you can select this. So if you want to download whole family, you can download this by pressing this download family here, but I have already installed, so I was just showing you how you can do that. After doing that, I will be moving on to my folder. You can see here it is, and I will be opening the same folder in my VS Code. So I will be pressing open folder. Our folder is on desktop. You can see here it is Hexashop e-commerce website which we have created. I'll be pressing select folder to open this. You can see our folder has been opened, and here we will be creating a new file. So for creating the new file, simply you have to press this new file option which we are getting, and you can also create the new folder if you want. Here is the new folder option, but we will be obviously creating the new file. So I'll be pressing this new file and giving it the name as index because this is our main file which we are creating here. Then after creating this file, simply we have to zoom in, and before zooming in, I have to open it in my default Google Chrome browser. So just you have to do like this, move on to this file, right click open, or you can double click to open this. You can see our file has been opened. We are only getting index written here. This is the title which we are getting, so you'll be changing this title and getting the interface as well. Do it side by side, or it is not compulsory to do that. If you want to do, you can do that, but I will be not doing that because in previous projects I've done that and many people were confusing with that, and because of that I'm not doing that again. So you can see this is main file, and we'll be now starting the code which we have to write in this. So now first of all we have to start with the doc type here. So I will be now writing doc type like this. After writing this doc type, I will be using this HTML stuff, and here I will be also writing HTML lang en like this. Then you have to now just move down and create here head. After writing this head, I will be now using meta char set. So I will be now just writing like this char set here, and in this I will be writing UTF-8. Now you have to just create here meta name. So I will be now writing this like this meta name, which will be as viewport, and you have to just now write here content, in which I will be now just writing here width. Remove this and write here width equal to device. Then you have to write here width like this. Now here you have to just write here comma and write here initial scale, and then you have to write equal to 1. Write here comma again, but remove the comma from after this colon. I will be writing comma here in this colon. Then here you have to just move down and create here shrink to fit like this. So here you have to now just close this tag as well. Then again create meta name, and in name I will be writing here description. You can see here we have written that. Then create content, which will be as none, and write here meta name equal to, which will be as author, and here I will be writing content which will be empty. Then again move down and create here link, and here I will be now removing this style sheet from here. We will be writing it forward on. So I will be now in href writing the URL like https, and I will be writing here fonts.google apis. So here I will be now writing like this fonts.googleapis.com/css, then make this question mark here. After doing that, simply you have to write here family pop-ins. So here I will be writing family pop-ins. Then give the like fonts you want to give, like what the font weight you want. So I will be giving the font weight as 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, and then like this 700, 800 and 900. So these are the font weights which we will be using here. So I have written 900 font weights, and I will be then writing here and display. Then I will be writing equal to swap. Here I will be now writing rel, in which I will be using a style sheet here like this. You can see we have done that. So simply I will be moving down, use title. In title you can give the title name, like I will be writing here Hexashop e-commerce template, or you can also write Hexashop e-commerce website here like this. Now after doing that, if I save this file and show you in the browser, reload by pressing Ctrl R or this reload button. So you can see we are getting Hexashop e-commerce website written here, which is looking awesome. This is the title which we are getting here. Then I will be moving on to my VS Code again, and here I will be creating the link tag in which I will be writing the href. But before this href, we have to also give the type. In type, I will be normally writing tag CSS because these are the Tailwind CSS file which we are linking in our Next.js and React.js file, and I will be writing here SS CSS / some of the libraries which we will be linking. So this first library will be of bootstrap min.css. We have linked this library. Then here we will be linking another library, but before that we have to just write here its type, which will be again as text CSS. In href I will be writing SS CSS / and I will be writing here font awesome.css. After doing this thing, simply here you have to now again use the link tag, and in link here I will be using the type text here, but before that give a space. Now write here type text CSS. Then in href I will be writing SS / CSS / then I will be now just writing here template mo. So here you have to now just write template mo - hexashop .css. So this file is not coming because I have deleted this file, and we will be moving forward creating this file again by writing our own codes. Then here I will be moving down and then creating another link here. So I will be writing link rel style sheet, then create the type. So remember one thing, that by mistake I've created the type here. I will not create the type here because already I've linked this file with the CSS one, so we will be not needing any type here. And then I will be writing SS CSS / owlcarousel.css, another file. Then again link, and I will be again writing here SS / CSS / lightbox.css, the file which we have linked. Then you have to give a space here, and you can see these are the things which we are getting. Then I will be start creating the body tag, and now here from this body tag we will be starting our main codes which we have to use in this project. So here I will be first of all using the id of preloader here in the div. After using this, you have to also write here the class as jumper, and I will be writing here div. Then you have to copy this div here, close and open, copy this, and then you have to paste it 2 times down like this. You can see we have done that. Move down after 2 divs to give some spacing, and I will be writing here header class, which will be as header area, and here I will be also writing header sticky like this. Then create here div class as container, and I will be also writing here row. So I will be writing div class as row. You can also create id if you want to create. Then create another class as call12, which indicates the column here. Then again I will be creating the div, but here I will be removing the div because here I will be needing nav. So I will be writing here nav class main nav, which we are creating here to create the nav bar. After doing that, here I will be now just writing index, and then you have to now create the class as logo. Then you have to now just simply move down, right here images SS / images / logo. So here I will be now just writing like this logo.png. Then after doing that, this is the close a tag which we have written, and you have to move down after this tag. So you have to give a space, right here ul class nav, and I will be writing here li class, and then you have to write here scroll to section. So here you have to write like this, and here I will be now just writing a tag, in which I will be writing like this hashtag top. Create here class, in which I will be writing like active, and here I will be writing home. Now when you've just done that, move after the close li tag which we have created. This is the close li tag if I show you. Then you have to now just move down and create here class which will be as scroll to section a tag, and here I will be again writing hashtag which will be as men, and here I will be now just creating here men's like this. Then when you've just done that, move after close li again. Here you have to create scroll to section a tag, and here I will be now just writing women, and like this I will be again writing moments like this. Now when you've just done that, here again create li means list with class, and here I will be writing scroll to section a tag. Then create here kids, and here I will be writing like this kids. And now you can see we have just done with that. So this is the close li which we have created. So again I will be moving down, creating the sub menu here in this li, and then right here a tag, in which I will be now just removing this dash from here, writing here the function as javascript, and here you have to just now make this colon and this close, and here I will be also writing pages. Then you have to write ul li a tag, and here I will be now just writing about us like this. Now here when you've just done that, simply move down li a tag, then you have to write here products, and here as well you have to write products. Then li tag, and here I will be now just writing single product, and here I will be writing again single product like this. So when you've just done that, move down, and here I will be now just writing a tag again, and then create here product. But here I will be now just writing here contact, and now in contact I will be now just writing like this. In center I will be writing contact us. So here I will be writing that. Save this file, move after the close li which we have created. Then again you have to create the list tag, in which I will be writing as sub menu, and here I will be writing a tag, in which I will be just writing JavaScript again, then semicolon and close, and here I will be writing features, then ul tag, and in this ul tag here I will be now just doing one thing. You can see we have just created this features and the ul tag, and here I will be creating the list, or started creating the list here, and one list will be of features page 1. This is the drop down menu which I am creating. So I will be now copying this, or you can say don't copy this because we have to already write the different things here. So here I will be writing page 2 features page 2 like this, li tag a tag, and here I will be writing features page 3. Then when you've just done that, you have to simply move down here after this close li which we have created. You can see this is the close li, and here I will be now just writing a tag and remove this href, write here rel, and here I will be writing no follow. Then here I will be writing href https / and then you have to write here template mo.com/page/4. Then you have to write here target equal to underscore blank. Then you have to now just write here template mo, or you can say template page 4. Then you have to just create li means list class, scroll to section, and here I will be now just writing a tag. Then you have to write here explore, and here I will be now writing again explore like this. Then you have to write here a tag and remove this href, write here class now which will be as menu trigger, and then you have to now just move down again and write here spend tag which will be as menu, and here I will be now giving a space, and you can see this is the close header which we have created. So I will be moving down after this header tag, write here div class as main banner. So here I will be now writing this, then create id top, and here I will be just writing div class which will be as container fluid, and here I will be now just writing div class as row. Then here I will be also writing div class call lg6, and here you have to also write here div class left content. Then here you have to just write div class thumb which is another class which we are creating. Then write here div class inner content. Then here I will be writing h4, and I will be writing vr Hexashop. So when you've just done that, simply move down, create a spend tag, and I will be now just writing awesome comma clean, and here I will be writing and amp like this. Then you have to just write here creative Next.js 13, then I will be writing website. Then when you've just done that, move after the close span, write here div class, and here I will be writing main border bottom, and here I will be writing a tag in which I will be writing purchase now. Then write this mark, write here image source which will be as ss/images/ and here I will be writing left banner image.jpg. Move after the 3 divs here and write here div class call lg6, write here div class write content, and then when you just done that, simply you have to write here div class as row, and here I will be also writing div class call lg6. Now move down again after this. After doing that, simply you have to just write here div class write first image, and here I will be now just writing div class thumb, and here I will be again writing like div class, and then here I will be writing inner content, and here I will be writing h4 woman like this. Then when you just written that, you have to write here is 10 best clothes for women. Then here I will be just creating another div class as hover content, and here I will be writing div class as inner, then h4, and I will be now creating the heading of women in which I will be writing the things about that. So I will be writing here a simple paragraph like lorem ipsum. So here I will be writing lorem ipsum $sit emit, and here I will be just writing comma and writing here conservancy, and here you have to write cpeter and write here adp csync, and then you have to write here add in sit like this. Then take this close p tag at the top here. Now when you've just done that, simply you have to create div class, and here I will be writing it as main border bottom, and here I will be moving down, right here a tag, and then you have to write here discover more, and then move down after the three divs image s slash images slash, and here I will be writing banner right image1.jpg. Then you have to now just do one thing, like here I will be moving after the three divs here, so you can see here it is. Then I will be writing here div class call lg6, and here I will be writing div class right first image. Then when you've just written that, here you have to write div class thumb, and then here I will be now writing inner content like this. Then you have to now just move down and write here h4 men. Then again move down and write here span best clothes for men like this. Then here when you've just done that, simply here you have to now create another div class, but this time I will be writing here as hover content, and then write here div class as inner, create h4 in which I will be writing here man, and here I will be writing p tag, and then I will be writing the same paragraph which we have written at the top. Copy this because already I am writing these tags for example, but if you want to write it originally you can write. It's not compulsory to write the same text which I am writing here. Do like this, and now remove the spaces from here. Create another div class of main border button, and here I will be writing a tag in which I will be writing discover more. Then you have to save it and move at the top. You can see by mistake I've written here bottom, but here we have to write button like this. Save and then move at the top to check it again. Okay, so here also we have written main border button. We have to just write here. So just remember to check these all things, because if you done mistake in these things, so it will be really like you can say error for you. And if you do these all things styling in the CSS file, means in the Tailwind CSS file, so it will give you errors and your styling will be not working. So remember that all the things are perfect written here. So you can see I think that now all the things has been perfectly written. Now we have to just simply create some other things here, like we have created the things of man as well. Now here I will be moving after the three divs. You can see here it is, and right here image s slash images slash, and here I will be writing banner right image2.jpg, which is the image name. Then move after the three divs, right here call lg6, which is another column class, and then here I will be now just writing like this div class, and here I will be writing right first image, and here I will be just also writing div class as, so here I will be writing div class as thumb, and then you have to also write here div class as inner content. Then you have to now just write here h4 in which I will be writing kids like this. Then you have to move down, right here is span tag, and then here in span I will be writing best clothes. So here I will be writing best clothes for kids, and here I will be now just writing div class in which I will be writing hover content, and then here I will be also writing div class as inner, create h4. Here I will be writing it as kids, right here p tag and paste the text which we have copied. Then make the spacing at the back like this, and here you have to just create another div class as main border button, and then when you've just written that, simply you have to write a tag and write here discover more. So here when you just created this, you have to write here images, or you can also write here assist images slash, and here you have to write banner right image3.jpg, which is the thing. Then you have to now move down, create here div class as call lg6, and then you have to write here div class as right first image, and here I will be also writing div class as thumb. Then when you've written that, simply write here div class as inner. So here I will be writing as inner content. Then create here h4 in which I will be writing here as accessories. Then move after this h4, right here is pen, in which I will be writing best trend accessories. So here I will be writing that. Then here I will be writing div class, which will be as hover content, and then here I will be also writing div class as inner, and then here I will be writing h4 as accessories like this. You can see we have written accessories as well. Paste the text here and then take this spacing to none. You can see we have done that as well thing. Then here I will be creating the div class, which will be as main border button, which we have created at the top. Same thing here. And here I will be now just giving a tag, right here discover more like this. Move after the three divs, right here image ss slash images slash banner right image 4.jpg, which is the thing. Then move after the divs. So these are the 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 divs. This is the 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these are the 9 divs here, and I will be moving down. Create a section class after these divs, which will be as section, and then in id I will be writing here main. Create here div class as container, and I will be also writing here div class as row. So after doing that, simply you have to now just give some spacing, and here I will be creating div class as call lg6, right here h2, and then here I will be now just writing mains latest. Then move down and create spend tag, right here details. So here I will be now just writing details to details, right here this what makes Hexashop. Then here I will be writing different from the other themes like this. Then here I will be taking this spend tag at the back to remove the space, and these are the divs which we are getting, and we have to create 4 divs here. So write like this 4 divs, and now when you just done that, simply click backspace here as well. Then move after these 4 divs and write here container like this, write div class as row, and then here I will be also writing div class call lg12, and here I will be writing div class as main item carousel. Then here I will be also writing div class as owl. So here I will be writing owl main item, then here I will be writing owl carousel, and then you have to also write here div class item, and here I will be writing div class as thumb, and then here I will be also writing div class as hover content, and you have to write here ulli a tag, in which I will be now writing single product here. Then I tag class fa I, and then you have to move after this close li tag here, li tag a tag, and then you have to write here single product like this, and then you have to now create here I tag again, write here fa, and then you have to write here star like we have written at the top I. Then after doing that, simply you have to create another li tag a tag, write here single product I tag class, and in class I will be writing fa, then here I will be writing shopping cart. Then when you've just written that, simply move after the div, only one div we have to move like this, shopping cart. Then move after the one div here and create image ss slash, here I will be writing images slash main1.jpg. Then you have to write here div class as down content, so here I will be writing that. Then write here h4, which will be as classic, and here I will be writing spring. Then move after this h4 and write here spend tag, in which I will be now writing $1200 like this. Then create here ul class, and I will be writing here stars. Then move down li tag I tag, write like this, create class fa star. Then you have to move here and copy this fa star, which is written Control C, paste it 5 times here. Then here when you just done that, simply move after the li and 2 divs. So here I will be now just doing one thing, like you can see we have just done that, so we have to move after the ul and 2 divs there. So you can see this, here it is. Then I will be writing again item, write here div class, which will be as thumb, write here div class as hover content, and write here ul tag li a tag, and write here single product. Then create I tag, and here I will be now writing fa I. Save it, move at the top. So here we have just done things like this, like we are doing here as well. Now when you've just done that, simply move after this close li tag here. Okay, so there it is. And then li a tag, and here I will be writing single product again, I tag here, and then you have to create class as fa star. Then here when you just written that, simply you have to now just move forward, li a tag single. Then here I will be writing I tag again, create class as fa star. So here I will be now just writing here fa shopping cart. Then here you have to move after this ul and the div tag which we have created, image s slash right here, images man02.jpg, save it, right here div class as down content. Then you have to now just write here h4 air force, and then here I will be now writing 1x like this. Then move down, right here spend tag like this, and right here this 90.00. Move down and right here ul class, in which I will be writing here stars, li I tag, right here class fa star, then li I tag. So here I will be now writing this class fa right here star again, right like this. Then you have to paste it 2 times. Then here I will be writing div class as item here. So here again I will be writing div class as thumb, right here div class as hover content like this. Then when you just written that, you have to write here ul li a tag, and right here single product I tag class fa I. Then here you have to now move down after this close li tag, right here a tag and write single product, and right here I tag class fa, and then you have to just write here star. Then you have to now just do one thing. This is the li tag which we have created, and I will be moving down after this a tag again, right here single product I tag class fa, and then you have to just write here shopping cart. So you can see here it is. Save this file. Then you have to now move down after close div s slash, and here I will be writing images slash man03.jpg. Then you have to now just write here div class as down content. So here I will be now writing that. Then you have to now create here h4, and here I will be now just writing here love nana. So write like this, and then I will be writing 20 here like this. Then when you just written that, you have to write here spend tag, write this dollar, and give the price here. So I will be giving the price $150. Save. So just I've shown you that we have just done till here, and I was just also showing you the interface. You can see this was the interface here which we are getting in this project which we have till created here, but still we have to do some of the things like some of the styling and some of the other text work here, and we will be doing that. So I will be moving on to my VS Code again, and you can see we have just written the love and 20 and $150 I've given the price of. After doing that, here simply I will be now just moving down, and then I will be creating a ul in which I will be just writing the class as stars here. And then here after doing that, simply you have to do one thing. You have to write here li I tag, then create here class as fa star. Then after doing that, move down, paste like this 5 times. Then here I will be writing div class as item, then create here div class as thumb, and then here I will be also writing div class as hover, and then here I will be writing as hover content, ul tag li tag a tag, and here I will be writing single product. Then you have to now just create I tag class, and then here I will be writing fa I. Then when you've just done that, simply you have to move down after this tag li a tag, then here I will be writing like single product I tag class, and then write here fa star. Then I will be just moving down, and then you have to create a tag which will be as li a tag, and write here single product. Then I will be now just writing here div class means I tag. Then I will be writing fa shopping cart like we have written at the top. Save this file. Then you have to now move after the div and create image s slash images slash man01.jpg. Save this file here. Then after saving this, you have to move down, create div class, and here I will be writing down content. Then here I will be moving down again, right here h4 in which I will be writing classic spring, and then here I will be also writing spend tag, right here 120.00, which is the price of this classic spring shirt or sweater you can say. Then again I will be creating the ul class as stars, and here I will be writing li itag class fa star. Then you have to paste it again 5 times here. If you want that, you should having the 4 stars in your project, so you can paste it 4 times. So write like this, save this file here. Then after saving this, you have to simply move, and this is the section tag which we are getting. And here I will be moving down, creating another section which will be as again section id as woman. Then you have to now just move down by giving a space, and here I will be writing the div class as container. You can use another class as well if you want to use. Just use the class which you can remember, so when you are just using this class to style your project, so it will be easy for you. Then I will be creating div class here again, and then here I will be writing div class row. Right here div class as call lg6 here, so I will be writing that as well. Then again you have to create div class with section heading. Move down right here h2, and I will be writing here women's latest. Then here I will be moving down right here spend time, right here details, and then you have to write here two details. Then here I will be writing is what makes Hexashop, and here I will be now writing like different from the other themes. Then here you have to move this span tag at the top like this. Then here I will be moving after the 4 divs, means 4 closed divs. Then I will be creating the div class container. Here you have to again write div class as row, right here div class as call lg12, and here I will be also writing div class as woman, and I will be writing here item as carousel. Then here I will be writing class, so here I will be now writing div class as owl woman. Then here I will be writing item owl carousel. Then you have to now just write here div class item, and here I will be also writing div class as thumb. Then right here div class hover content, and here when you just done that, simply you have to write ul tag li a tag, and I will be writing here single product like this. I tag you have to write class fa I tag here like this. Then you have to move after this close tag, so I will be moving down li a tag single product I tag class fa, and then you have to write here in the place of I, here I will be now writing a star, so write like that. Then you have to move down right here li a tag single product I tag class fa, then here I will be writing a shopping cart, save it. Then move after this close div, right here image s slash, right here images slash woman, so here I will be writing woman 1.jpg, save this. Then again create here div class which will be as down content, and here I will be also writing h4 in which I will be writing new green jacket, so here I will be writing that. Then you have to write here span, and I will be writing here $75 here. Then you have to now just simply move down ul class stars like this, so here I will be writing that. Then here you have to write this li I tag class, and here I will be writing fa star. Then you have to move down right here li I tag class fa star. Then you have to paste it again and again like this. So you can see we have just done it many times. Then I will be moving down after the two close divs. Again create div and class of item here. Right here div class as thumb, and then right here div class as hover content. Then move down right here ul li a tag single product, and then you have to write here I tag. Then here I will be now just writing class as fa I, so here I will be now writing this. Then you have to now just move down li a tag, and right here single product I tag class fa, then you have to just write here star. After doing that, just move forward, again create li a tag, right here single product I tag, and then you have to create here class fa, and then you have to just now write here shopping cart, save it here. Then you have to move down and write here image s slash, and write here images slash woman2.jpg, so here I will be now writing like this, save it. Then here I will be writing div class down content, so here I will be now doing that. Simply here I will be writing h4 classic, so here I will be writing classic dress. Then move down again and write here spend tag, right here 45.00. Then you have to now write here ul class as stars. Then write here li I tag, and right here fa star. Then I will be now just moving down, right, paste it, paste, like this. Now you can see we have done that. Then move after the close two divs. Again make div class item. Right here again div class as thumb I will be writing this time. Then use the div class here, which will be as hover content. So here I will be using that. Then use here ul, right here li a tag, and then here I will be writing single product. Then create here fai like this, which is the class which I am creating. Li a tag, right here single product, I tag fa. Then you have to write here star. Then here I will be again writing li single product, I tag class, and right here fa, which will be a shopping cart. Save this file here. Then move down, and here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be writing image s slash, which will be as images slash woman, and here I will be writing woman3. Save it. Right here div class as down content, and then here I will be writing h4 as spring. So here I will be now writing here spring collection. Then here you have to write the price of it as 130.00, $130 I'm giving the price here. Then right here ul class stars, li I tag class fa star. Then you have to move down li I tag class fa star. Then when you've just done that, simply paste it, paste like this. Then you have to now just do one thing, like here I will be moving down, and then you have to just move after the two divs here which we have created. Right here div class as item, and then here I will be now writing div class as thumb, and then you have to just write here div class as hover content. Then you have to now write here ul li a tag, then write here single product, and here I will be writing I tag class fai. Then you have to now just do one thing, you have to move down li a tag. So here I will be now writing like this. Right here single product, I tag class fa. Then you have to now just write here a star. Then after doing that, simply li a tag. So here I will be writing that. Then you have to now just write here fa, and here I will be writing shopping cart. Save this file here, and then after doing that, simply move after this ul and close div. So here I will be using the image as slash images slash woman 1.jpg. Save it here. Then after doing that, simply move after the close div and write here div class as down content. So here I will be now writing that. Then here you have to write h4, and here I will be writing as classic spring. So here I will be writing. Then you have to write here spend tag. Write here $120.00. Then move after close span and write here ul class stars. Write here li I tag fa star. Then you have to now write here li I tag class. So here I will be now writing class fa star. Then here you have to now just do one thing, you have to move down, paste like this. Then here I will be now moving after the section tag. This is the close section tag here, and after creating this, here I will be writing section class, and here I will be writing section. Then you have to write here id as kids. Then you have to just write here div class as container, and here I will be now writing div class as row. Then when you just written that, simply you have to now just move down, and here I will be writing div class as call lg6, and then you have to write here div class as section heading. Then you have to write here h2, and then here I will be now writing here kids latest like this. Then you have to move after this h2 tag. Right here spend details. Right here to details is what makes. So here I will be writing is what makes Hexashop, and here I will be writing different from the other themes. Then you have to now just press backspace and take this spend tag at the top here like this. Then you have to move down after the four divs here. Write here div class as container, and then you have to now write here div class row. Write here div class as call lg12, and here I will be writing div class kit item as carousel. So here I will be writing. Then you have to now just write here div class as owl, and write here kid item. Then when you just done that, simply you have to write here owl carousel. Then here I will be just writing item and write here class as thumb. and here you have to just write div class as hover content. So here I will be now writing that. Then you have to just write here ul tag, li tag, a tag, single product. Then you have to now write here I tag class, and then after writing that, simply you have to write here fai, and here I will be now just doing one thing, move down after this, close li here, a tag, single product, write here I tag class fa, then you have to write here star, then I will be moving down after this li a tag single, then here I will be writing class fa shopping cart. Save this file, and here I will be moving after the close div, write here image ss slash, and then write here images slash kit01.jpg. Save this, write here div class as down content, and then you have to write here h4, which will be as a school collection. So here I will be now writing that. Then move after this h4, write here span, and then I will be writing here 80.00 means $80 here, it is the price. Then again I will be creating ul class stars, and write here li I tag class fa star. Then you have to now paste again. Then here I will be moving after the ul and two divs which we have created. Write here div class item, write here div class as thumb, write here div class hover content, and then I will be writing ul li a tag, write here single product I tag fai. Then you have to now just move down again. So here I will be writing li a tag single product. So here I will be now writing right like this, single product here. Then here I will be creating I tag, and then here in this I tag I will be writing fa, and here you have to just write star. Then move down here after this li a tag single product I tag class fa shopping cart. Then you have to save this file here, move after the ul and div which we have created, image ss slash, and write here images slash kit2.jpg. Save this, and then move down, write here div class as down content, and then here I will be writing h4 as summer cap. Then here I will be writing span tag, and in span I will be giving the price as $12. Write here ul class as stars, and then here I will be now moving down, and after moving down here I will be just creating the li here I tag fa stars. Then you have to paste it, paste. Then here I will be removing as from here. So you can see we have just done these all things, and move after the two divs again. Then here I will be writing the div class item, div class thumb, and then here I will be writing div class hover content. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. So here we have just done div class hover content, and with that we have just created an unordered list, means ul tag here. So after doing that I will be moving down, and after moving down I will be creating the li a tag. Here I will be writing single product here file again, which we have written at the top. Then create fai, which is the class here in I tag which we are creating. This is the icon, you can say. Then again I will be writing here I tag class, but it will be of fa star. Then here I will be moving down li a tag single product here again I tag class fa. Then here I will be writing shopping cart. Save this. Then move after the div and write here image ss slash, and write here images slash kit3.jpg. Then here I will be now writing div class down content, and here I will be writing h4, which will be as classic kid. So here I will be now writing classic kid. Then you have to now write here span tag. So here I will be now writing that. Then write here 30.00 means $30. ul class as stars, and here I will be now writing li I tag class fa star. Then you have to now move down, paste like this. 5 times I have pasted this star. Move after the two divs here and write here div class as item, and then here I will be writing div class as thumb. Then when you've just written that, simply you have to just create here div class as hover content, and then you have to now create here ul tag li a tag, and then write here single product I tag class fai Then you have to now just move down li a tag, right here single product, I tag, fa I. Then you have to now change this I to star here like this. Then when you just done that, li and a tag single product, I tag this time fa shopping cart. Then you have to now just move after the two divs, or you can say you can directly move down after the div. Right here assist images slash, and right here kit01.jpg save. Then right here div class down content, and then you have to now write here h4, create here classic string. So here I will be now writing like this, and then here I will be writing spend tag, in which I will be writing $120 like this, the price of this classic spring shirt or sweater you can say. Then right here stars in the class I tag class, and right here fa star, and then you have to now just paste it, paste. Save this file and move at the top to check we have written the class perfect in everything. So you can see I think that class has been perfect in every place where we have written. After doing that, simply you have to simply now do the one thing, like you have to just move after the close section tag here which we have created. So this is the close section tag, and then here I will be giving a space and again creating the class of section, but now I will be giving the different id. I will be giving it the id as explore. So here I will be now just writing div class container again, right here div class row, right here div class call lg6, right here div class left content, and then you have to now just write here h2. So here I will be writing h2, in which I will be writing explore our products, and then here I will be moving down after the close h2 span tag lorem like this. Here I will be now writing in this span, right here div class s code, and here I will be writing I tag, and here I will be creating class fa code left. Then you have to now just write p tag here. So here I will be now writing this p tag, and I will be writing here a text. It will be a normal text, not the original text. So here I will be writing you are not like this. So here I will be writing you are not allowed to redistribute. Then here I will be writing this template zip file on. So here I will be writing any other website like this. So you can see we have just written a disclaimer here, a simple text you can say. Then I will be moving down right here p tag and write lorem tag like this. Then when you just done that, simply you have to create p tag. Then here I will be now just writing like this, and here I will be writing a tag, and now remove this href, right here rel. I will be writing here no follow in this rel. Then right here href and give the URL here. So I will be writing https paypal.me, and I'm giving just randomly like template move. Right here target equal to underscore blank, and here I will be writing support us. Then you have to just now take this and write here a little via PayPal, and then you have to now just write here please also tell. So here I will be now just writing like this, please also tell your friends like this. Here I will be writing about our great website. So you can see we have written here, and I will be writing as thank you text as well to close. Then here I will be creating the div class which will be as main border, and then here I will be writing as button. Then create another tag, a tag, right here products, and then right here discover more. So you can see we have written this discover more here. Then right here div class call lg6, and now here I will be writing right content like this. Then create here div class as row. Then you have to now just again use the div call lg6, and here I will be writing div class as leader, and then here I will be writing h4 and right here leather bags. Then move down, create here spend tag, right here latest, and then here I will be writing collection. And then when you've just written that, this is the two divs here which we have created, div class, and I will be writing call lg6, and right here div class as first image, and then you have to write image ss slash images slash explore image1. Then you have to now just create div class call lg6, and then you have to now just write here div class and write here second image. And then when you just written that, you have to just now write here ss slash images slash explore2. image 2. Then you have to now just write here div class, write here call lg6. Then when you've just done that, simply you have to write here div class as types. Then write here h4 different. So here I will be now writing different types, and here I will be now just writing span tag like this, and write here over 304 products. And then when you just written that thing, simply here you have to now just do this close section where we have just written. Again I will be creating a section class as section here. Then here I will be now writing here id, and then you have to write here social. Then create div class as container. Then when you've just done that, simply you have to just write here div class row, and here I will be writing call lg12, and create here div class as section heading. Then you have to create here h2 and write here social media. Then move down and write here span tag, write details, and write here to details, and then write here is what makes Hexashop. Then you have to now just write here different from the other. Then I will be writing themes. Then you have to now just take this span tag at the top, and then here I will be now moving down after the 4 divs. Write here div class container, write here div class as row, and then write here images. Then you have to now just do one thing. You have to write here div class call to. Then you have to just write here thumb. Then I will be now writing here icon, and here I will be writing a tag which will be as http, and then write here instagram.com. Then when you've just done that, simply you have to write here h6 fashion, and then here I will be now moving down I tag class, and then here I will be just now writing a tag which will be fa Instagram. Then you have to now write here image s slash, write here images slash instagram1.jpg, write here again div class as call to, and then write here div class as thumb, right like that. Then here I will be writing div class, and then I will be writing icon, and here I will be writing a tag http/instagram.com, and write here h6 in which I will be writing new I tag, write here class, and then I will be writing fa Instagram. Then you have to now just write here image s slash, write here image Instagram 2.jpg. Save this file here as well. After saving this file, move after the 2 divs and create here div class as call to. Write here div class thumb. So here I will be now writing that. Write here div class as icon, and here I will be now writing a tag http, and then write here instagram.com like this, and here I will be now writing h6 which will be as brand, and then here I will be writing I tag class fa Instagram. And then you have to now just do one thing. You have to create image s slash images slash Instagram 3.jpg. Save this. Then you have to now create div class as call to, write here div, and then you have to now just write here thumb. Then here I will be also writing div class as icon, and a tag http, and write here instagram.com. Then when you just written that, simply you have to write h6 and write here makeup I tag, then create class fa Instagram, save it, write here image, and then you have to write here s slash images slash, and write here Instagram 4. Save it here. You can press Ctrl S to save the file. Then again you have to create div class call to, and then here I will be writing div class as thumb, and write here div class as icon as well. Then create here a tag. So here I will be writing a tag http, and then write here instagram.com, and write here h6 leather. Then move down, write here I tag, write class fa, then you have to write here Instagram. Then here I will be now writing image s slash images slash, write here Instagram 5. Save it here. Then write here div class, write call to, and write here div class as thumb. So here I will be now writing like this thumb. Write here div class, and then you have to write here icon, create a tag https, or you can also write http, and I will be writing instagram.com. Then you have to just now write here h6 back, and here I will be moving down and write here itag class fa Instagram. Save this file. Write here image s/images/instagram6. Save this file here by pressing Ctrl S. Move after the close section tag here, and then you have to now just write here div class as subscribe. Then you have to now write here div class as container, and also write here div class as row. After doing that, I will be writing div class call lg8 and write here div class as section heading. So here I will be now writing div class as section heading like this. Then when you've just done that, simply you have to just create another tag which will be as h2, and then here I will be writing y subscribing, and here I will be now writing here to our newsletter. Then here I will be writing you can get. So here I will be writing like this, you can get 30% off. Then here I will be now just doing one thing, I'll be moving after this h2, right here details to details, and here I will be writing what makes Hexashop. Then here I will be writing different from the other themes. So here I will be now writing like this. Then after doing that, take this closest main tag at the top, right like that. Now when you've just done that, simply you have to write here the form tag here, then remove the action and create id in the place of it, which will be as subscribe. Same id like we have created the class of. Action will be empty, and here I will be writing the method as get. Then you have to just create div class as row. So here I will be now writing that, and write here call lg5, which is the class here. Write here field set. So here I will be now writing like this field set, which will be as input, and then here I will be now removing this type text here and writing here name, and then here I will be writing type equal to text, and write here id will be name again. So here I will be writing that. Then when you've just done this thing here, you have to now just do one thing, you have to create placeholder which will be as your name. I will be writing the placeholder here, then I will be writing required. Then when you've just done that, simply move after the div and the field set close tag here, and write here again the div tag with class as call lg5, and here I will be now just writing here field set. So here I will be now writing like this field set. Then here I will be now writing input, and then remove this type here, and then here I will be now writing here name. So here remove this and write here name email, and write here type, and in type I will be writing here text id email, and write here pattern, which will be as this. So here I will be now writing like this tag, then at the rate, then square bracket, again this shift and 8 you have to press, again at the rate, then I will be using square bracket, then shift and 6 here we have to press, and here I will be again using at the rate, and then you have to use this tag here like this. Now when you've just done that, simply create here placeholder as your email address. Then here you have to just do one thing, you have to create required, and then you have to write this equal to like this. Now just create div class in which I will be writing call lg2, write here field set, and then you have to write here button, type will be submit. So here I will be now writing like this type submit, and write here id form submit. So here I will be now writing this create class as main dark button, and then here you have to just create I tag. So here I will be now writing like this I tag create class as fa paper plain. Then you have to now just do one thing, you have to move after this field set. You can see this is the field set which we have created and the divs. So I'll be moving down after the form and div tag. So here it is. Then create another div class call lg4, and write here div class as row, and then you have to also write div class call 6. Then write here ul tag li store location. So remove this as from here, and I will be writing here store location here like this. Then when you've just done that, simply you have to write here br tag, press backspace, write here span tag, right, and then here you have to just write sunny is less, and then here I will be writing beach, comma, right here fl33160, and I will be now just writing here United States Then you have to take this span and li tag at the top where we have entered the location. Then move after this li tag down, right here phone. Then make this colon here, right here br tag, press backspace, create span tag here as well. So here I will be now writing that. Then here I will be writing 01002000340. This is the random number I have written. Then create here li, and it is your choice if you want to write the office location, but it is not compulsory to write office and phone, because many of the people does not write the phone number. If they write, so many of the people come and they do scams and they do like fake calls, and because of that many people disturbed. And I prefer you to use the email, not phone. So just you, in the place of phone, you can write the email as well, but I'm showing you for example if you want to use the phone number, so how you can use it. But I prefer you to use email, uh, email in the place of phone. So here I will be now giving the office location as br tag here, and now in this br tag I will be using span tag, and now in this I will be giving the office location as North Miami Beach. Like this, randomly I'm giving the location. Then here you have to just create another class here of call6, which means column 6 ulli, and here I will be writing work hours. So here I will be now writing that. Then br tag, and right here span tag like this, and in span here I will be giving the time like 7:30 a.m. and here I will be writing dash 9:30 p.m. daily, right, like that. Then move down after this, close li tag and span tag, and right here email. Then here I will be writing br tag, and right here span tag. Then here I will be just writing info@company.com. Then here I will be just doing one thing. I'll be moving down after span and li social media, and here I will be just writing br tag, and in center I will be writing span a tag, right here this tag, and then you have to write here Facebook. Then you have to now just do one thing. You have to move after this, close a tag, right here comma a tag, then again this you have to use the hashtag here, right here Instagram, like this. Then you have to move after this, close a comma, right here again a tag, use this hashtag here. Then you have to now just write here Behance, then use here comma after close a tag, then again a tag you have to create, and here I will be using LinkedIn. Then you can see we have closed these all stuff here like this. After doing that, just move after the ul and the divs which we have created. So we have just created many divs here. If I show you, so this is the 3 4 5 6 divs. So this is the 3 4 5 6 divs which we have created. Then I will be creating the footer tag and giving the class as container here. Then you have to also give here the class as row, right here div class as call lg3, and then here I will be writing div class, and here I will be now writing it as first item. Then you have to now just write div class as logo. So here I will be writing that. Then here I will be now writing image. In image I will be writing accessed images slash white logo.png. Save this file here. Then you have to now just move down ul tag, and then here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be creating the li tag here, a tag, and then you have to just now copy the same thing. So this is the thing which we have written. So I will be just copying this thing from here, and then I will be just now doing one thing. I'll be pasting these all stuff. Then you have to press backspace so we can get some spacing from the back. You can see we have done that. After doing that, simply you have to just move after the two divs here and create div class call lg3, right here h4, and I will be writing here shopping, and then you have to write here and amp. Then you have to just create here categories. So here I will be now writing like this, categories ul tag li a tag, and then you have to now just write here men's shopping, and then you have to now just create here li a tag, and then you have to now write here women's shopping. So here I will be now writing like this. Then you have to create li a tag, and then you have to now just create kids shopping. Then here when you just done that, simply move down and write here div class, and then write here call lg3, create here h4, and I will be now just writing here useful links. Then you have to move down and write here ul li, write here a tag and write homepage. And then when you just written that, simply you have to just now write here li a tag, write here about us. Then when you just done with that all stuff, simply you have to just now write here li a tag. Then you have to now write here help. Then when you just create this again li tag, right here contact us, and then when you just done with that, simply you have to create another tag which will be as div class, right here call lg3, and you have to just write here h4 help, and then I will be writing and amp, then create here information. So here I will be writing that. Then you have to write here ul. So here I will be creating this ul li tag and write here help like this. Then you have to now just move down li tag and write here FAQs. Then you have to just move down again li tag, and then you have to just write here shipping. So here I will be now writing like this shipping li tag, and then here I will be writing tracking ID like this. Then you have to just write here div class as call lg12, and here I will be also writing div class as under footer, and here I will be writing p tag. Then create the copyright here, so I will be writing copyright and copy, and write here 2023. Then I will be just writing here Hexashop like this, and write here co, then write here comma. Then when you just done with that, simply you have to now just do one thing. You have to write here ltd, and then here you have to write ltd and write here all rights reserved. So here you can see we have done that. Now here I will be moving down after this tag and create br tag here, in which I will be writing design, and here I will be writing a tag https / right here template mo. Then you have to now just write here templatemo.com, write here target. So here I will be now writing target underscore blank, like we have written previously as well, this thing. Or you can also write here target parent. So you can see we have just now written the target as parent, and then here I will be writing the title as Complete Next.js website. Then you have to now just write here template mo again. So here I will be now writing like this template mo. Now here this is the a tag which we have created in this project. You can see this, here it is. So I will be now closing the p tag with that. You can see here it is the p tag. Close this as well. Then you have to write here ul tag, li a tag, and then here I will be writing I tag class fa Facebook, and then you have to now just move after this close li tag, li a tag, I tag, fa, then here I will be writing Twitter. Then when you just done that, li tag, a tag, and then here I will be now just writing I tag class. So here I will be writing class fa, then you have to write here LinkedIn. Then when you just done with that, simply you have to write li a tag, I tag class fa, then here you have to write Behance. Then you have to move after this close footer tag here, which is written, and then create a script source, right here ss/js/, and then here I will be writing jQuery 2.1.0 min.js, where it is. After doing that, simply you have to now create here script, and then you have to write here source ss/js/popper.js like this. Now again I will be using the script tag here, and then here I will be using the source ss/js/, and then I will be using the bootstrap min.js file. Then move down, and now we will be using the plugins here. So for using the plugins, just you have to write a script ss/js/, and I will be writing here owl carousel.js only. Then again you have to use source ss/js/, and here I will be using accordions. Then use again the script tag source ss/, then here I will be writing js/, and then here I will be writing date picker. Then again you have to use source ss/js/, then here I will be using scroll reveal.min.js. Write here script, write source ss/js/, then here I will be writing waypoints. Then again use script source, write here ss/js/, and then here I will be using like jQuery counter up min.js. Then write here script source ss/js/, then here I will be now writing image fix min.js. And now here you have to just also write script source ss/js/, and then here I will be writing slick.js, script source ss/js/, and then here I will be writing lightbox. Then you have to write again script source /ss/js/isotope, .js. Now here when you just run that, give space and write here script source s/js/ and then here I will be writing custom.js. So you can see we have now done with that all stuff here, and you can see it is perfectly fine looking. And now when you've just done that, simply you have to move after this tag, create a script tag here, and then after creating this script tag, simply we have to create some of the tags here as well, which will be here one of them function. After creating, again you have to create bracket, curly bracket, move down, then I will be writing var selected class equal to, then make this tag, close this, and then you have to write this $sign here like this and write this p tag here. Now here I will be using click function here, so I will be now using this click function, make this bracket, then move down, and then here I will be now just moving down again and use this selected class, and then here I will be writing like this and make this $sign, then here I will be writing this, then here I will be writing .attr and create here data rel like this, and then close this and write here this tag, and then here I will be now doing one thing. This is the selected class which we have written, so press backspace here, right like that, and then here as well, then make this $sign here. After doing that, simply you have to now write hashtag, right here portfolio, then write here fade to and make this tag right here 50.1, close this, and then you have to now just do one thing, you have to move forward, and then here you have to write this $sign, and then here I will be writing hashtag portfolio, so here I will be writing hashtag portfolio dash div, or you can also write just normally div by giving a space, and then I will be writing not which is the class, and I will be writing colon not, and then right here plus selected class, and then here I will be writing paid out, make this bracket here, close it, and then here I will be writing set timeout, and then here I will be now writing like this set timeout, and then right here function, make this bracket and move down like this, right here this $sign, then here I will be now make this tag and then make dot here, right here plus selected class, and I will be now writing here fade in, make this bracket and then make this colon here as well, then create this tag, right here hashtag portfolio, then I will be writing here fade to, and then I will be now writing 51, then here I will be writing close tag, and I will be now writing 500 like this and give space down, then close this tag as well, close here as well, then press enter, then press enter, and here as well like this. Now when you've just done that, save this file here. So you can see we have now just saved these all things here like this. After saving this file, I will be just now doing one thing, I will be moving it on my browser and reload this. After reloading, you can see we are getting all the things perfectly looking, and we are also getting our footer section which is looking good, but still we have to style so we can get these things more good looking. So for styling, we will be using the Firebase and the Tailwind CSS version. So before starting, we'll be moving on to the Firebase here. So there is you will be seeing the written Firebase down here. So you have to go to its official website. So Firebase official website here, when you will be writing the Firebase on your Google Chrome, the first link will be of the Firebase, and it is the official website of Firebase. So you have to move on to this website and you have to press get started. Now when you just press get started, so it will ask you to create the Firebase account with your email, because when we are creating any project in Firebase, so we have to use our email address. I am using my email address, you can use your email address as well. Then I will be adding the project, you can give the project name here. So I will be giving it the project name as Hexashop e-commerce website, the project which I am creating here. Then press continue, and you have to enable this Google Analytics. Remember to enable this and press continue again. Select account. So I will be selecting a default account. If you want to create a new account here, so you can create a new account as well, but I prefer you to use the default account as well. So I will be moving on to the create project, and you can see our project has been started creating, and in some while our project will be creating and it will be taking us to the admin panel of our project. But till it is creating, I want to show you some other things. Like if I move on here, you can see these are the libraries which we have linked of JS. So you have to also link these libraries so we can use to work with Next.js, so we can get the Next.js and React.js working on our project, and because of that I've linked these libraries. And now here you can see our Hexashop has also been created, and now it is you can say it has redirected me on my admin panel of this project which I have created. Now you have to just go to the web, and you can also create a new web app here. So you have to register the app. I will be registering the app with the same name. It doesn't make any problem if you write the same name where you have written here. So I will be writing Hexashop e-commerce website, same name which I have written in my project, right, like that. Then here you have to just press this also set up Firebase hosting, and I will be now pressing this e-commerce website, and there you can see no deploys here because we have to deploy it. Press register app, and now our app has been registered here in this project, and it will be taking some while, and you can see it has shown me you can install the npm install Firebase. You can use this command to install Firebase in your VS Code, and then here I will be pressing next, and you can also install Firebase CLI tools by using this command. So if you want to, you can download these Firebase tools, because these Firebase tools gives you help if you want to host your application, or if you want to have some of the required things of Firebase, so you can use this. Then if you want to log in your Firebase hosting, you can use these things here which we are getting. You can copy these commands, then press continue to console, and you can see we are on the console, and we have created successfully the styling file of our project. Now we'll be linking this file with our main project. So for linking that, just move on to the VS Code, means move on to the downloads. We have downloaded the Firebase file here, and it is giving me all the things which I want. This will be our assets file, CSS. Copy this template, move Hexashop file by pressing copy. Move on to desktop. This was our folder, and then move on to the assets CSS file and paste this file here by pressing Ctrl V, or directly right click and paste. So save this file here. Move on to the browser, and now you don't have to reload it. Just you have to make the new window and again open this folder from the desktop, so we can get all the things refreshed. So I will be moving, and then I will be pressing open folder. Moving on to desktop, there is our folder Hexashop e-commerce website. Press select folder to open. You can see we are getting all things which we have created. Now save this, and then move on to the browser, move on to desktop, and this was our folder, and this was our main file index1 which I was just showing you. Press right click to open, and you can see this was the interface which we were getting. And now if I show you when we have opened it again after refreshing, so this interface we are getting, you can see. So you can see this, how good looking is that. So this was our amazing project which I want to show you how you can just create. You can see we are getting a different amazing styling effect in this using Firebase and the FileStack version. You can also use Firebase if you you can also use FileStack if you don't want to use Firebase here. For using FileStack, you can just move here and you can search about FileStack here, and this is the FileStack from where you can upload your files. This is also for free, but if you want to use its pricing version, you can use it here. You can see this pricing versions. You can see these are the pricing version, but if you want to move on with the free version, you can sign up here with the free version, but I'm using Firebase here. If you want to use FileStack, so you can use it. I'm just giving you the option if you don't want to use Firebase, so you can use FileStack as well. So this was our amazing Hexashop online e-commerce website which we have created. You can see this, we are getting the home, men's, women, kid pages. These are the drop down menus, and we are also getting a beautiful hover effect in that, and we are also getting some of the women, men, kids and accessories section, and you can press discover more to see more things about it. And you can also see we are getting a beautiful interface which is saying we are Hexashop awesome, clean and creative Next.js 13 website. Purchase now. You can purchase now by pressing this purchase now button. Then if I scroll down, so these are the things which you will be getting the list in the latest menu. You will be getting the man latest here. Then you will be also seeing the command written here, details to detail. This what makes Hexashop different from the other themes. Then if I press the sliders, you can see the sliders are working, which is looking really awesome. And I think that like this, you can just do that as well in your own project if you want to, which will be looking really awesome. Then this is the women section in which you will be getting the things about women. You can also read paragraph here about the women's as well, and the price also here you will be getting. Then this is the kids section in which you will be getting the kids dress and kids shoes and all the stuff about the kids you can add here. And we are also getting the kid latest and the details you can see, or you can write. I've just written the example text here, but you can write the original details if you want to write. Then if I scroll down, so these are the explore our product section. You can write about your own products here simply. And this is the discover more. By pressing this button, user can discover more about your projects and more about your things which you are creating. And these are the products which I've added, like leather bags latest collection. These are the latest collection. Then different types of product, which is 304, means we have just put 304 products over. You can also put any product you want to. This is the another product which I have just put in here. Then these are the social media themes which you will be getting. These you can see fashion, new brand, makeup, leather, and you will be also getting about the bag. Then this is the subscribe to our newsletter section in which you can get 30% off on the discount. And then this is text about that, and you can also see the store location, phone number, office location, social medias, links, and you can also see the email address, working times, and working hours. And this is the footer section in which you will be getting some Hexashop online shopping just logo you will be getting. Then these are some of the categories which you will be getting: useful links, help and information, copyright section, and in the end you will be also getting some of the social media icons as well, which are looking really awesome. So I hope you understand how we have created this amazing project here of Hexashop online e-commerce website. Now, this was not really big project, but I want to show you that if you want to create this project, so how you can create and how you can add more things in that project. And it is totally responsive. If I show you here in my device, you can see this. In any device you can just see this. It is totally responsive, nothing is out of the box, and it is just looking really awesome. And if I move on to the iPhone XR, you can see in iPhone XR it is also looking really good, and I think that you are also enjoying these things which I am just telling you. Then this is the 14 Pro Max interface in which we are also getting really awesome. And if I show you the another interface of like Surface Pro, this is the Surface Pro interface. This is a Galaxy Fold interface, means in every device you can just see it is totally responsive, nothing is out of the box. And this was the project I want to show you how you can create. So I hope you understand how we have just created this amazing Hexashop online e-commerce website. And if you understand, enjoy this video here, so remember to hit a like. And if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so subscribe. And after subscribing, hit notification bell so more people can learn and they can understand how we can just create these amazing projects using different languages. Don't forget to check out my previous videos which I have uploaded, and I've also given the link in the description. Follow me on Instagram and follow me on Facebook and Twitter as well. So just tell me, meet you in next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials using these all amazing different type of languages. So for today, goodbye.